Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be comparing Rolex with Cartier watches. I'll be talking about its pros and cons, and I hope that you like this video and will find it interesting. By the way guys, if you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section down below. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on my Instagram account, which is the same as my YouTube account, Black and Gold Style. And please also consider checking out my other playlists. I posted quite a few videos about Cartier, Van Cleef & Arpels, Bulgari, Rolex, luxury tips and mistakes, Dior, jewelry, weekly vlogs, style and fashion, Chanel bags, luxury shopping vlogs, beauty products, and travel videos. I will start with Rolex, and I'm a huge fan of this brand. I absolutely love my watch. I bought it over 5 years ago and I have been wearing it non-stop. Rolex was founded in 1905 and the founder of the watch is Hans Wilsdorf. Back then he was 24 years old when he set up his company and he opened it in London, and it was specializing in distribution of the timepieces. I never had any issues with my watch and I absolutely love the design. I love the fact that it looks incredible with all kinds of jewelry. Whenever I style it with white gold or with yellow gold or even with the pink gold. I also love this watch in other metals, especially in the full yellow gold. It's so stunning, and I even like it with diamonds. It's so classic and it never goes out of style. Nowadays, it's so hard to find date-just models, especially in the size 31 or 28. They are so popular, especially the one that I have. It's pretty impossible to just walk into the store and buy it. However, when I purchased it 5 years ago, it was available literally everywhere. I could come into every store and it was there. By the way guys, I also posted the review video of this watch, so if you guys are interested to learn more about it, I will link it down in the description box below. Nowadays, in order to purchase a design that you really like, you actually have to create a purchasing history in the store, meaning you have to buy other watches in order to qualify, and also the stock is quite low. When I went to Rolex last time, I was told by a sales associate that they only import 2 to 3 watches per month. I was also told that there are long waiting lists for every single design, but of course, with the purchasing history, you can always jump the queue. Of course, they don't say it directly like that, but that's how it works. I also want to talk about pros and cons of Rolex watches. And of course, I will start with pros. As I said, this watch is pretty hard to get, which means the resale value of this watch is quite high. If people have to spend money, build the purchasing history in order to qualify to purchase this design, of course, they will expect to return their funds when selling it on the pre-loved market, which means the value always goes up. On the pre-loved market, these watches don't cost double, however, they cost about $5,000 to $8,000 more. A lot depends on the design and the condition of the watch. Of course, whenever we buy these items, we never intend to sell them. However, it's good to have a choice. Even if we absolutely love the design right now, in a few years we might fall out of love with it. And it's important to have your options, and this is essential for me. Before I choose to add something to my collection, I prefer to conduct a research and check if the item goes up in value over time. Another advantage would be the classic style. The design is so timeless. It is also very recognizable. I always get so many compliments whenever I wear it. I also love that the international warranty of these watches is for 5 years. I can bring it to any Rolex service center around the world and they will fix it for me free of charge, which is great. Many brands don't have such an advantage. For example, Chopard watches only have warranty for 2 years, which is not fantastic in my opinion, because things happen and you don't want to have unnecessary expenses. Let's move on to cons. And the only one that comes to mind is the fact that it is automatic, which means you don't have to change the battery. However, you have to constantly use it. If I'm not using it for 36 hours, it just stops. So I would have to consider getting a watch winder or just use it at home, even if I don't have to go out anywhere. So this is something to keep in mind. Other than that, I can't think of anything. It's just such a perfect watch, and I'm actually currently considering to get another pair. Let's move on to Cartier. The company was founded in 1847 in Paris by Louis Francis. The watches are absolutely gorgeous. They are so timeless, and there are so many different designs. Let's discuss pros and cons of Cartier watches, and I will start with pros. The designs are so elegant and so gorgeous. I find them very feminine. It's so easy to style them and match with other jewelry. I have to say Cartier Yellow Gold is the most beautiful. The shade is so stunning. It's breathtaking. Up until last year, I was not really a fan of the watch until I saw it in yellow gold, and I was so impressed by the shade. It's so stunning, and no other brand can compare with the shade of yellow gold. It's the most beautiful. When it comes to the price, I have to say Cartier watches are a bit more affordable than Rolex. They cost a few $1,000s less. Of course, a lot depends on the design and the material and if there are diamonds as well. For now, since there is no any issues with the stock, it's pretty easy to get the design and the size that you want. Even if you have to wait, it's not going to be more than 6 months, which is great. However, things might change in the future. There is another very good advantage of the watch, which is the warranty. Unlike of Rolex, it's actually for 7 years, which is fantastic. Let's move on to cons. The first one would be the fact that the watch is not automatic, which means you would have to replace battery. I have another watch that is not automatic and it's from Omega. And in the past, I had to change battery every 1.5 or every 2 years, and every time I had to pay money for servicing. So this is going to be an unnecessary cost. Of course, 7 years it's going to be free of charge, but afterwards you will have to pay for it. So this is something to take note of, while you will not have such unnecessary expenses with automatic watch. Also the fact that the watch is easily available, which means if you buy the watch, wear it for some time and decide to sell it, you may not be able to recover the full cost for it. If it is easily available, why would someone pay a full price for it? People might just go to the store and buy the brand new one with the full warranty. Maybe it will change in the future, but that's how it is right now. I can't think of any other disadvantages of the watch. I think that's pretty much it. I have to say I love both of these designs. They are so gorgeous, classic and stunning. And I would say that both of them are must to have in your collection. Which watches do you prefer, from Rolex or from Cartier? Please let me know in the comment section down below. I'm very curious to see what you're going to say. Anyways guys, this is it. Thank you so much for watching and I hope that you liked this video and found it interesting. Please subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, I would really appreciate it, and follow me on my Instagram account, which is the same as my YouTube account, Black and Gold Style. Have a great day, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!